Deborah, I come from Italy, and I'm here in Madrid in the third day of the Climate-KIC journey as a coach. So each group of journey participants, and we have 40 participants this year here, have two coaches, and what we do is we take care of the group, we take care of the process, so we help this group of individuals turn into a group and a team, and so we can travel together around Europe trying to make a difference. It's my third year coaching the journey, and throughout the years I've been to many different locations, seen different universities, from Copenhagen to Zurich to small places like Leuven in Austria, Wrocław in Poland, and this year we're going to Madrid for 2 weeks, then we're going to be in Valencia for a week, and then we're going to end up in Hamburg for a week, where we're going to join other journey students, I think for a total of 150 people, plus partners in the Climate-KIC programs, investors, civil society, alumni, and I hope to see some of my journey participants from the last years there. So we're going to gather in a 2-day community fair to showcase collaboration in the climate change sector. Oh well, it needs to be a very big community. It needs to be a huge community. Everybody needs to be in this community if we want to solve a global challenge. Yeah, there's many ways you can make a difference. So a particular encouragement to students in master's and PhD programs to join the journey. It's quite a transformative experience. 4 weeks traveling around Europe, seeing many different things, and it's such a good program to me because it combines academic and practical knowledge. So we do site visits, we get conferences, and of course the most you'll get is from the other participants. So if you are studying something even remotely related to climate change, I'm happy to say we have engineers here, we have people in the environmental field, but we have also lawyers, policymakers, philosophers, physicists. So whatever your field of study, if you have an interest in climate change, you should definitely check out the Journey program.